This is a one-owner 2004 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive with 105,000 miles. Perfect cash car, in amazing condition for its age, great service records, one owner, all original VIN stickers, little tow package. You'd be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. It is very clean. Perfect student vehicle. It is the all-wheel drive. Interior is like new. No rips or stains or wear marks. Original floor mats. Carfax report. 105,000 miles. One senior owner. All original VIN stickers on every body panel. So this is a 2004 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive, 105,000 miles, one owner, in absolutely superb condition.